Dear students, are you ready for a new science class? Let's start our class. Let's recollect the points that we have studied earlier. We use different plant parts such as roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Plants prepare their own food materials through a process called photosynthesis. For this process, they need water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and it is taking place in leaves. Plants are the source of food for all other living beings. Okay, we can compare the process of photosynthesis with the process of cooking of rice in our kitchen. In our kitchen, we use the firewood to make heat. By using this heat, the water boils. Then we add rice into it and again it boils. Thus rice becomes cooked. Like this, leaves absorbs heat from the solar light and add carbon dioxide and water to make food. Thus leaves becomes the kitchen of every plant. Carbon dioxide and water becomes the ingredients of this cooking process. Now let's examine what are the products of photosynthesis. We use 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water to form 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. The picture shows how it is written in the form of a chemical equation. Okay. The leaves trap the energy in the solar light and stores the energy in the form of glucose. This energy is used by the plants for their physiological activities and growth. The remaining food is stored in various parts of the plant body such as roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. This stored food is used by all the other living organisms. We learned that during photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is absorbed through the minute openings found in leaves. Let us discuss how it is happened. The stomata and guard cells found under the leaves makes this possible. Stomata are microscopic pores consisting of 2 kidney-shaped or bean-shaped guard cells. When the guard cells absorbs water and becomes bulged, the 2 cells fall apart and the stomata open. This carbon dioxide enters into the leaf through these openings or pores. These openings are called stomata. When the bulged guard cells becomes flaccid, the guard cells becomes closer and thus the stomata closed. Thus the opening and closing of stomata regulates the absorption of carbon dioxide into the leaves and elimination of oxygen to the atmosphere. The opening and closing of stomata is an important process in plants. This picture is a microscopic view of stomata. When we observe a peel of leaf under the microscope, we can see the stomata like this. Now here comes our first activity. Activity number 1. Draw the opening and closing of stomata and label the guard cells and stomata in the diagram. Do you know this process of stomata helps the existence of life on earth? Here is a video. Watch it out.
അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിലെ കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡിന്റെയും ഓക്സിജന്റെയും അളവുകൾ ക്രമമായി നിലനിർത്താൻ സസ്യങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മെ സഹായിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് നോക്കാം.
ഹരിതസസ്യങ്ങൾ പ്രകാശ സംശ്ലേഷണം നടക്കുമ്പോൾ കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് സ്വീകരിക്കുകയും ഓക്സിജനെ പുറത്തുവിടുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. എന്നാൽ മറ്റു ജീവികൾ സസ്യങ്ങൾ പുറത്തുവിടുന്ന ഈ ഓക്സിജൻ സ്വീകരിക്കുകയും ശ്വസന ഫലമായി കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് പുറത്തേക്ക് വിടുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇത്തരത്തിൽ സസ്യങ്ങളും ജീവികളും തമ്മിലുള്ള കൃത്യമായ ഇടപെടൽ മൂലം അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിലെ ഓക്സിജന്റെയും കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡിന്റെയും അളവുകൾ ക്രമപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു.
You can understand from the video that the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide becomes stable because of the activity of plants. An adult human being consumes 2 cylinders of oxygen daily. It costs nearly 2000 rupees per day. Can you calculate how much will be for 1 year? It will take nearly 7 lakhs. but this oxygen is provided the plants at free of cost. Now you can understand how helpful they are to us. I know that you will definitely engage in activities to protect trees and conserve forest. That will be our next activity. Activity number 2. Write at least 10 sentences about the necessity of conserving plants. In the process of photosynthesis, leaves act like a kitchen. Leaves absorb sunlight. This sunlight is a source of energy. So plants needs to expose all the leaves to sunlight so as to absorb maximum energy. There are different types of arrangements can be seen like opposite, alternate or whirl. Some of this arrangement of leaves can be seen in this picture. Now let's observe the plants in our surroundings. We can see different types of leaf arrangements. Here is our next activity. Activity number 3. Observe different types of leaf arrangements in your surroundings. Write the name of plant and the type of leaf arrangement seen in that plant. Write the name of plant and the type of leaf arrangement, that means opposite, alternate or whirled, likewise seen in that particular plant. Okay, write minimum 10 plants. Okay, when you are observing plants in your surroundings, there should be plants belong to the group oppositely arranged, alternately arranged and arranged around in whorls. So you can draw the rough figures of that arrangement also. The fourth activity is to draw the rough figures of different types of leaf arrangement in plants. So complete the works, rest in the next class. Okay.